Hey everyone, today I'm going to be working on a Mr. Wizard Supermax 7 practice lock. Really awesome practice lock for all you beginner pickers like me. Comes with a bunch of cool stuff. I mean, you get a huge variety of key pins. You get a bag of top pins, including some plug screws for up here where you change the pins out. You get a bunch of security pins. I got a couple of my own in there, but a lot of them are in here and another practice lock I got going on there. And then you also have all your pins for master keying locks and some other little accessories in there, and a bag of springs, including paperwork with instructions on, pinning it from practice. I mean, from beginner all the way up to advanced expert. Today I got it pinned. All 7 pins are in there. Mostly spools and a couple serrated. We're going to be trying to pick this today using just a standard hook and some top tension, top of the keyway. So let's see what we can get in this thing here. 1's free, 2's free, 3's fine, 4. Nice little set out of 4. Back to the front. Oh, I got a little more turning out of 4, I think. That's 2. Let me see here. Try to change my fingers. Still working on getting my tension just right. Seems if I use any other finger other than my thumb or index, it's a little more sensitive. I can feel the rotation of the plug a little easier. Slight rotation there. Come on. He doesn't want to give it up. Let's try a different pin to see what happens. Yeah. I think that's 1 right there. It's giving me some good feedback. There we go. And it's open. Alright, let me see if I can get this puppy here and see if I can give you guys a good view of what's going on here. I'm using my phone for this, so I apologize. Let's see what we got going on here. And there we go. This is going to be the tricky part, especially when I got my phone situated here. Let's see if I can tilt it down a little bit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oop. Alright. See, it's your first pan, second, third, fourth. I was looking at the camera, so hopefully I didn't get these mixed up when they were falling out of there. I believe that was number 7. And why am I, oh, okay, there we go. Oh. Real professional here, guys. Alright, that was the last one. As you can see, that is the bidding. Let's see if we can zoom in on the bidding for you. Get a good look at that. And let's see here. See if we can't get in focus here. But I have a feeling pins are going to start flying everywhere. So we got a spool right there. Oh, and he's on the ground. Oh, come on. Sorry about this, guys. Let me see here. Third one is also a spool. Fourth is a spool. Spool. And that should be all of them, yep. Alright. So, and there's those. So there's your bidding and the pins that were in it. All spools and one serrated. I thought I had one more serrated, but I guess not. Anyways though, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Be safe, be legal, and I'll see you next time. Bye.